Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome and to the unveiling of the 2026 Masterpiece Bugatti Motorhome. Prepare yourself for a journey beyond the ordinary, where the boundary between a high-performance supercar and a five-star penthouse dissolves into one breathtaking machine. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a vision of future mobility, a handcrafted sanctuary on wheels, and a statement that redefines road-going opulence. From the moment your eyes lock onto this colossal masterpiece, you understand its pedigree. The exterior is a stunning sculpture, a futuristic aerodynamic body with sleek, sculpted lines that make it resemble a luxury yacht slicing through the air. The two-tone metallic paint is a symphony of sophistication. Perhaps an elegant champagne gold paired with a deep black or a silver contrast that catches the light like liquid metal, all hinting at the power contained within. At night, this vehicle becomes a rolling spectacle. An advanced LED lighting system features razor-sharp daytime running lights that cut through the darkness, complemented by wraparound taillights that seem to flow seamlessly into the integrated spoiler and smooth rear, balancing performance aesthetics with perfect grace. Soft, ambient accents throughout the bodywork give it a mesmerizing night presence. The attention to detail is obsessive, even down to the large, stylish wheels with their futuristic design and aerodynamic hub covers that not only contribute to stability and airflow, but look like rolling works of art. Entering this masterpiece is an event in itself. The automated entry system glides into action, revealing hidden, retractable steps, while the digital keypad access grants seamless, secure entry into your private world. But before you step inside, look up. The expansive panoramic glass roof offers full-length transparency, bathing the entire interior in natural light during the day and promising breathtaking, uninterrupted sky views at night. Stepping across the threshold is like entering a new dimension of luxury. The sheer quality of the materials is intoxicating. You are enveloped in the scent and texture of genuine Napa leather, the cool touch of brushed aluminum accents, and the rich grain of fine wood veneers that line the cabin. This is a sanctuary built for whisper-quiet comfort, thanks to advanced acoustic noise insulation technology that silences the outside world, allowing you to float down the road in utter tranquility. The open concept layout masterfully transitions between the living, kitchen, and bedroom areas, creating a flow that feels more like a chic, custom apartment than a vehicle. Soft, customizable ambient lighting allows you to paint the space with color, enhancing every mood and moment, from vibrant morning energy to a serene evening glow. The living area is centered around comfort and versatility, featuring 360-degree rotating recliner seats that are not just for sitting, but for true relaxation, transforming into luxurious loungers or even beds. For entertainment, a high-end OLED smart TV emerges, paired with a custom Bose or Harman Kardon surround sound system that turns the cabin into a private theater. Even the views are curated. The smart glass windows have adjustable opacity, giving you instant, total privacy, or a full panoramic viewing experience at the touch of a button. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is a marvel of space-optimized luxury. It features a smart induction stove, energy-efficient and touch-controlled for precision cooking, alongside a compact dishwasher and fridge that are integrated so seamlessly they virtually disappear. Clutter is non-existent thanks to hidden storage and expandable counters that maximize function without compromising on style. The entire space is brought to life with voice-activated controls, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, and even the appliances hands-free. Moving to the rear, the private suite is the ultimate indulgence. You are greeted by a king-size bed, featuring a decadent memory foam mattress, beautifully framed by soft mood lighting. Above the bed, the panoramic stargazing ceiling, an extension of the smart glass roof, offers nighttime serenity. Imagine drifting off under a canopy of stars. The spa-inspired bathroom elevates the ritual of self-care with a luxurious rainfall shower and a sleek marble sink, complete with auto-temperature adjustment. A smart mirror and touch panel controls offer infotainment and environmental settings at your fingertips, ensuring your personal retreat is always perfect. But a Bugatti-inspired vehicle must deliver performance, and this motorhome is engineered as brilliantly as any supercar. Powering this palace is a revolutionary hybrid electric drivetrain, combining a muscular turbo V8 with potent electric motors to produce a combined output of over 700 horsepower. This means you don't just cruise, you effortlessly surge past scenic landscapes with exhilarating speed. The ride quality is sublime,